Looking for tasty and guilt-free snacks for weight loss? Wondering how to satisfy those midday cravings without derailing your health goals? Welcome to the world of nutritious and delicious weight loss-friendly snacks. In today's episode, we'll dive into a few fantastic recipes that not only taste good but also keep you satisfied and on track with your health journey. First on our list is the delightful veggie hummus wrap. Start by spreading 2 tablespoons of your favorite hummus on a whole wheat tortilla. Layer it up with a mix of colorful veggies such as bell peppers, cucumbers, and spinach. Roll it up, slice it in half, and there you have it. A quick, tasty, and fiber-rich snack that's great for your waistline. Next, we have a sweet and tangy berry yogurt parfait. Begin with a layer of Greek yogurt at the bottom of your glass. Follow this with a layer of mixed berries: strawberries, blueberries, raspberries, you name it. Repeat these layers until your glass is full, and finish it off with a sprinkle of granola on top. This snack is packed with protein and antioxidants, making it a great choice for a mid-morning or afternoon treat. Our third recipe is the deliciously crunchy roasted chickpeas. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Rinse and dry a can of chickpeas, then toss them in a bowl with a tablespoon of olive oil and your choice of spices. Spread them out on a baking sheet, pop them in the oven, and roast for about 30 to 40 minutes. This high-protein snack is perfect for those salty cravings. Finally, we have the refreshing cucumber slices with cream cheese and turkey. Slice a cucumber into rounds, spread a thin layer of cream cheese on each slice, then top with a small piece of turkey. This low-carb snack is simple, satisfying, and great for staving off hunger pangs until your next meal. To summarize, healthy snacking doesn't have to be boring or tasteless. With these recipes, you can enjoy a variety of flavors while staying aligned with your weight loss goals. Remember, the key to successful weight management is balance. Enjoy your snacks, but also remember to incorporate regular exercise and a balanced diet. Thank you for tuning in today. If you found these recipes helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more health and wellness content. Don't forget to check out the link in the video description for more helpful information. Stay healthy, stay happy, and keep snacking smart.